Hi guys, I am going to show you how to make a QR code scan to pay sign. So here I have an acrylic photo frame that I'm using. It's a photo stand, a photo holder, whatever you want to call it. I got it from a local store. They sell them online and they sell them in lots of stores, so they will be very easy to find. I just showed you a smaller one that I made. I'm making a larger one. This is an 8x10. I used my silhouette to cut out the wording. I weeded the lettering and now I am applying it to the sign. Some people use transfer tape. I use contact paper because it is cheaper and easier to work with. I have lined paper inside of the photo frame because I want to make sure that everything is lined up properly, so I use the lines on the lined paper to help me line everything up. What you're seeing me do now is to kind of eye everything, line everything up. I'm pre-taping everything before I actually apply it. I just applied the first line of lettering, but for the rest I want to make sure that everything is in proportion to each other. The QR codes, I uploaded them into an Avery.com template. I ordered Avery 2" by 2" label sticker paper, and I uploaded the QR codes into the template and then I printed them out onto the sticker paper. So that is what I'm using for the QR codes. That's what you're seeing there. So the materials that I used basically were just the clear photo holder or photo frame, whichever you would like to call it. I used the Avery label paper. I used my silhouette machine, gold vinyl, permanent Oracle vinyl that I got from Amazon. I also got the labels from Amazon, and those are all the materials that I used. The first QR code is a menu. This is for a business who has a QR code for their menu, so that's the top. Then they ask for their Cash App to be added. So the first label, it says scan for menu. The first set of wording, then it says scan to pay. And then they wanted their Instagram QR code. So that's the last one. It says scan to follow. So that's basically it, guys. That is the sign. You see there, that's the small one, which is 5x7, and then the 8x10. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please follow, like, and subscribe.